Here is my magic ring. I start by wrapping the yarn around 2 fingers with my working yarn crossing over the tail. I'll insert my hook underneath the ring and I'm going to grab the working yarn through, twisting it up to make a small loop on my hook. Grab the working yarn and pull that through that little loop on your hook. Gently pull the working yarn to make that little loop a little bit tighter. Now you're going to chain the required amount, and as you're stitching around the ring that you've now made, you're going to make sure that you're stitching around the ring with the tail included. That's going to help you seal it and pull it tight to make it a nice tight circle in the end. Just pull on the tail gently and you're going to tighten that ring, and that's the magic. Slip stitch into the top of the first stitch of that round.